Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Megan Yvonne. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, thank you so much. I really do appreciate it. So today I filmed this look. It's a green, kind of like smoked out, smoky eye type look. And I just figured I'd film it. I'm on my way to an event, so I was like, well, I can just set up my camera and film it for you guys. I hope that, you know, you can learn something and you like how the look turned out. I would love to chat with you in the comments, so make sure you comment down below. Don't forget to like, hit the subscribe button, and share my video. I'm just so looking forward to, you know, just growing on this channel, and I do appreciate the support. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So right here, I'm starting off and I'm just using some of the La Mercier translucent powder and translucent deep. Then I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to add my foundation. It's the NARS Soft Matte Complete Foundation. I'm going to go in with my concealer, which is the Tarte Shape Tape. And I'm just going to highlight my face, and then I'm going to start working on my brows. And as you can see, I did speed this video up, but this particular day I had minimal time to get ready, so I was trying to, you know, speed through the process. And then I just went on same thing that I always do with the contour. Then I'm just cleaning up my brows. Again, the NARS Soft Matte Complete Concealer, blending out the concealer that I let dry down for a little bit. And then I'm just gonna go in and highlight a little bit more just by adding a lighter color into like the center of my face. Ever since I did that video with you know, my Beyoncé inspired video, I've really been liking that look, so I've been trying that out. But now I am going in with my translucent powder, and this is Translucent Honey, and setting my face and then putting a little bit more just to catch the fallout. So one thing that I did do differently, sometimes I'll go in and do my eyeshadow first, but because I was pressed for time, I went on and completed my base and I did my eyeshadow last. Because I can do my base pretty quickly, but the eyeshadow takes a little bit more time and precision. So I'm going in with this dark, almost like a forest green color, and then I'm going in with this teal color over top. I decided to add you know, a brighter color on the inner part of my eye, so I'm going over it with that. And all these colors are from the new collection by Morphe and Lisa Frank, so I'll link that down below. But I'm just going in, kind of blending out the sides. And again, I like to use my bronzer, so that's what I was putting on first, just as a transition color. And now I'm going in, I'm blending out all that powder that was sitting to catch the fallout. As you can see, it is kind of bright, but I'm just blending that out, and we're going to fix that. Now I'm going in with my foundation brush. This is helpful for blending. I did add some liner and my lashes off camera. I'm just touching up my eyebrows because sometimes with powder they can get lost, or the precision, I would say, can get lost. Then I'm just going to go ahead and add a liner, spray my face, and that's it. That's the look. Hi guys, so this is how the look turned out. I don't know about the lip color yet. I want to add a gloss. I have a Fenty gloss in Baby Brut. Yeah, Baby Brut right here. It came in like a set, but I don't know if I want to add a gloss. I'm actually on my way to like a 90s inspired event. So, you know, I know 90s was all about like the matte lip, and, you know, it was like makeup on makeup on makeup. So I'm debating whether or not I might just make it a tad bit lighter, more on the nude side. We'll see. But thank you for watching the video. I do appreciate the support. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And while you're here, check out some other videos that I've done. I've walked through my process of like my everyday makeup look. It's an easy makeup look. I will link that in the cards as well as below. So if you have some time, just give snacks, sit back, chill, watch my videos, share it with your family and friends. I do appreciate the support, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.